Welcome friends. In this section we are going to see about questions related to linear algebra. I have selected the question from the GATE 2019 Engineering Mathematics. If you are new, so do not forget to subscribe my channel for more update. So let's see today's question. Consider a 2 cross 2 matrix M is equal to V1 V2 where V1 and V2 are the column vectors. Again suppose M inverse, that is M inverse of M here, it is in the form of this column U1T U2T where U1T, that is transpose, U2 transpose are the row vectors. Now we consider here the following statements. The statement 1 is U1 transpose V1 is 1 and U2 transpose V2 is also 1. The statement 2 is what? U1 transpose V2 is 0 and U2 transpose V1 is also 0. So the question is, which of the following option is correct? Statement 2 is true and statement 1 is false. Both the statements are false. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. And the last one is both the statements are true. In such kind of questions, we need to understand here it is given in the form of multiplication form. So if you multiply these two, so you will get in this form first. And one thing also, if we multiply M inverse M, that is going to be identity matrix. So in that case, if we check here in the solution, M inverse M is I. So what we get here, this is your M inverse, this is your M, and this is your identity matrix by 2 cross 2 matrix that you will get. So by the rule of multiplication of two matrix, what we get, U1 transpose V1 here, U1 transpose V2 here you get, and similarly you get the U2 transpose V1 and U2 transpose V2. And here it is your identity matrix. Now by comparing the both side, what we get here, U1 transpose V1 is 1 and U2 transpose V2 is also 1. So according to this, statement 1 is correct. Similarly, U1 transpose V2 is 0 and U2 transpose V1 is also 0. So statement 2 is also correct in our calculation. So our answer is option D, that both the statements are true. So this question were asked in GATE 2019 in engineering mathematics section. So our final answer is option D, that is both the statements are true. You like it? So thank you for watching this video. If you like, definitely subscribe our channel for more updates. I will come with the more examples. Thank you for watching this video.